In this video, let me show you how to fix the standard chattered mobile login error. Now in this situation, the first thing that you need to do is make sure that you are entering in your correct credentials. If you have forgotten your credentials such as your password, you can simply tap on the forgot password option, follow the on-screen prompts and then set up a new password. So make sure you do that. If this is not the case for you, you'll need to also re-register your standard charter mobile key or the digital token if you have recently changed to a new device. So make sure you do that first of all. If both of these are not the case for you, this is likely happening due to app glitches or app bugs. So what you can do in this situation is just hop out of the application, reinstall the application of standard charter mobile onto your device. This ensures that you have the latest version and any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue should also be fixed. Now if none of these solutions are still working out, this is likely happening due to bank system outage. So just look for alerts within a web browser, search for down detector, or you just need to wait out a few hours before the issue is automatically solved. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.